I'm going to show you how to make Facebook ads and Instagram ads without being a professional designer or using professional tools like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. And the best part, this tool is free, and I promise you if you use it right, you can create professional looking ads very, very quickly. My name is Kevin Schrage. I own Brand Arrow, a marketing agency helping businesses grow with high performance marketing campaigns. So let's get started. What I want to do is I'm going to jump into this tool. A lot of you probably already know it and are probably already using it, but it's a tool that we use all the time, and a lot of marketers are starting to switch over to this tool because it's so easy to use and it helps you create amazing Facebook ad creatives. Here we go. So the tool is Canva. I'm sure you guys heard this. If you haven't, it's an amazing tool. What a lot of marketers, a lot of designers are using right now. Mostly they've been using it for, social posting and stuff like that, but it is an amazing tool to also create ads. So I want to show you a really quick and easy way on how to create some Facebook ads and Instagram ads for your campaigns. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit create design, and there's, you can, choose, Facebook ad, Facebook post. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose actually an Instagram post, 1080 by 1080. We want a square image. The reason why is because a square image is actually going to take up more real estate on your newsfeed than the recommended Facebook ad size, I think 1200 by 628. So we're just going to create a square post, because the other thing too is if you create this square image, it works great for Facebook and also for Instagram as well. So if you're running Facebook ads, you probably know this, but you can run the ad on Instagram, and having that square image already gets you set up for success to run it on Instagram as well. So we're gonna go ahead and start with a square post, just a blank page. I'm not gonna go into all the other different sizes that you can use whenever you're running Facebook ads, because now we got stories and reels and videos and stuff, other stuff like that. That all can be done in Canva, but I always wanna show you a basic image. And if you wanna explore those other sizes, different media types, I would highly recommend testing out Canva. There's just so much you can do in here. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into the square post that we created. It's 1080 by 1080. And let's just do an ad for, so let's say you own a bakery, local bakery, and you want to run ads to generate some traffic to the bakery. We'll type in bakery and check it out. We already have an ad right here. Boom, 20% off. Got some pictures, got everything. It's already, everything's there. How freaking awesome is this? So we just simply, change out the name here. So we'll just call it Bread Makers. So not gonna do anything crazy and tweak all this stuff, but you would just simply change out whatever you got in here, whatever your offer is. Let's just say it's buy one, get one free, whatever it is, swap this out. And this is what I highly encourage whenever you're running Facebook ads. Look, it's all subjective. You don't know what's gonna work and what it's not gonna work. So what I would do is come up with a bunch of good ideas and then just run a test on a bunch of different images that you're testing. But obviously the content will have to be, if it's buy one, get one free, whatever it is, will have to be congruent with the campaign you're running. But let's just say we're doing this 20% off. So the cool thing about Canva is they have this little duplicate button right here. So you can hit the duplicate button and it'll create a new image here. So why is that important? We just duplicate the same thing. This is why it's important. Literally, sometimes when you're just changing something as simple as just the color or changing some text on here, it will change the whole ad. So let's say we don't like this picture. I don't have, pictures of bread or whatever. I'm sure if you have a bakery, you would have some of these pictures already, but you can go in this photos tool. By the way, I have a pro version of Canva, so I have access to more pictures and more templates than you would get without Pro. But I promise you, the free version will get you by with what you need. The Pro version is actually it's really cheap. It's like $12.99 a month. For what you get, I think it's amazing. So you get all of these stock photos that you have access to. And if you're not familiar with it, stock photos can be very expensive. So these photos come with your Canva tool, and you can just search. Let's just say we're looking for bread. Cool, we got some bread images. All right, let's just pull this one in. Oops, sorry. We want to drop it in this right here. So let's pull that in, boom. Now we're gonna test this image over this image in the ad. Okay, maybe that doesn't do the trick. Let's try something else. Let's see if we can change the color of this. Nope. Let's try changing the background color. Cool, got a background color change. Maybe this will spark more interest in people to stop the scroll. And then maybe we test something here with this, maybe we change it to white, make it stand out a little bit more. So anyways, easy stuff to just change out the creative. Now let's go ahead and let's add a page, blank. Let's start from blank again. And let's go back into templates and search bakery again. Let's see, how about, I mean, there's just so much here. Let's just keep it simple. Let's just do really simple 10% off. We'll keep it congruent. We're doing 20% off. 20% off. This is just, let's say it's summer promo. Stuff is super easy to change out. Let's change that image. Maybe we get something more colorful. We'll search bread again. And we can just swap that out. This has grayscale on it. So guess what? Edit image. Get rid of that grayscale. Saturation's down. Cool. See how you get rid of the grayscale. Maybe you want to like tone it down a little bit, or lighten it up, make it easier to read. Anyways, you can tweak with that, make some changes. Again, I would dupe it. Let's test some different colors. Maybe we don't do the green. Let's try, I don't know, orange, red, pink, whatever color it is. And let's run it. We can change this one too. Obviously not taking any time to like really hone in on this design, just throwing some stuff in there. Cool, so we got that. Let's dupe it again. I want to show you something really cool. Oh, actually not dupe it. Let's start with a blank page. This is a really cool tool in Canva that I think you have to have the pro version. So apologize in advance if you don't. Let's just pick baker. Let's say you have a cool picture of yourself, but you're like, hey dude, Kevin, I don't need that background. I just want a picture of me. Well, guess what? Canva makes it super easy. Go to edit image, background remover. Again, I think this is a pro feature, so I apologize if you don't have it, but it'll move this entire background and just have the person's image in there. And now we can place that on another ad. So it might take a little bit because it's probably a little busy, and boom, look at that. How awesome is this? We got rid of that background. Now let's say we want to take this one. Let's dupe it. We'll bring it down. Cool. What we want to do is, let's say we get rid of this, get rid of that, and let's just move everything over. Give me a second here. Left justify it all. Left justify. And then we'll move this over. And it doesn't look great, but I'm not going to get too worried about details right now. I'm just going to show you kind of what you can do here. So let's take this image that we just duped and let's drag it into this one. And you know, I don't like the way this one is looking. I want it to look towards it. So let's flip it. And boom, look at that. How cool is that? You take an image and now you have it on the ad. And I think my face might be in the way for you guys. So let me see if I can move it. There you go. So now you can see it a little better. So anyways, what I wanted to just demonstrate how easy it is to create ads in Canva. It's an amazing tool. The other thing I wanted to say too is, again, what I'm trying to point out here too is, don't be afraid to just create a bunch of variations. This is how we run successful campaigns, is we do a lot of testing. So we're gonna test a lot of different colors, different images, different people, different models in the images, and tweaking the copy. There's just a lot of different variables that are involved with this, and sometimes one will catch the eye over the users than another one. So that's why we love Canva. It gives us the ability to just do tons and tons of testing very rapidly. You can also share this with your team. So you just give them the link and they can collaborate in there with you. And you can also dupe these and send this out to somebody and they can use the templates that you created already, that you've maybe had winners, and say, hey, I've used these before, tweak it to your company and try using these. So amazing tool. I think it's a game changer for people that aren't professional designers that are trying to, run some ads. I appreciate you watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you're interested in getting these videos. We do these once a week, and if you want to keep up to date on all the top marketing trends and Facebook ad trends. Subscribe to the video, hit the little ding dong bell, the notification bell, so you get notified when the next video comes out. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching the video.